today I thought I would show you how to make a little ballerina that I'm going to make a little card with a little ballerina on it. And I thought it would be fun to show you how all of these pieces came together. So first of all, let's start out with the ballerina's body. She needs both her head and her body are punched out with a 1-inch circle. And then you're going to also punch out just a half circle for her hair. So you just need a half a circle for her hair. And then to show the little ponytail on the back, use a 3/4 inch circle. Then for the cute little flower in her hair, we're using this one. I believe it's called boho flowers. I'm not positive, but you can look in my supplies. But you're just going to punch out this flower right here, and that is for her hair ribbon. Now then, her legs are done with the word window punch, and then her little ballet shoes are again done with the word window punch, and just slice off an end for each of her shoes. Her leotard is done with our large flower. You just need these two pieces here, so just about a half. And then her tutu or a little skirt is done with the scallop circle, and you just fold that in half. Now the other little punches that I've used on my card before we put it together is I have taken and used the scallop edge along this layer here, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap some of our new polka dot ribbon around this layer. Tie it just in a little square knot here. Okay, so there my little girl is on the card. And then I'm going to go ahead and add dimensionals to this layer as well. Okay, and then I just have this happy birthday wish. This is our teeny tiny wishes, and I stamped it out or punched it out with the word window punch, and then I used our newest punch to layer behind that. I like to use my glue dots to kind of secure my bow. And I'll go ahead and add one to my tag as well.